Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Trello's Smart Deadlines feature, the savvy way to manage your tasks in 2025. Start by opening up your Trello board. Click on the card you want to set a deadline for. The reason we do this is because Trello's Smart Deadlines are card-specific, helping you stay organized and on track with each task. On the right-hand side, you'll see a due date field. Click on it, and here's where the magic happens. Trello's Smart Deadlines feature allows you to enter natural language phrases instead of specific dates, so you can type next Monday or in 3 days, and Trello will intelligently convert that into a specific due date. This helps us because it saves time and it feels more intuitive than searching for a date in a calendar. Now that we've done that, let's move on to reminders. Click on the Reminder button under the due date. This is where you can set when you want Trello to remind you about the task. For example, if you set it to 1 day before, Trello will send you a reminder 24 hours before your task is due. The reason we do this is to ensure we never miss a deadline. Finally, remember to click Save to apply your changes. Always double-check your deadlines and reminders to ensure they're accurate. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello is now tracking these tasks and will send you notifications based on the parameters you've set. So, that's it. You've just learned how to use Trello's Smart Deadlines feature, an essential tool to keep your tasks organized and on track in 2025. By using this feature, you're making your project management more efficient and intuitive. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.